Hello everyone, Namaskar. I am Akanksha Sethi, a personality development instructor, motivational speaker, and a corporate trainer, is here to discuss the do's and don'ts which we should do during Corona lockdown. We all know what to adapt, what to do, what not to do. हमें क्या करना चाहिए हम सब जानते हैं, but this video is a reminder to each one of us. If we are missing something or we are lenient on something, then definitely this video is going to help you out. So let's start turn by turn and points wise. Number one, first moving towards the do's of corona lockdown. We would be doing it, I'm sure आप सब कर रहे होगे, like washing our hands frequently. घर में भी अगर हम रह रहे हैं then we should wash our hands. If we have to go outside, first of all we don't have to go outside, but अगर due to any reason हमें बाहर जाना पड़े then we should go, and we should, whenever we go outside we should wash our hands, and after coming back wash or sanitize our hands. Whatever option is convenient for you, please do that, but make sure that after sanitizing don't go in the kitchen or enter near any flame or fire. Number second, the second do of corona is we should definitely try more and more to reduce any contact with any person. Anything which is not ours is not ours. जो चीज़ हमारी है वही हमारी है. Try to avoid contact with major of the things as much as you can. मैक्सिमम चीज़ों को कांटेक्ट ना करें. जो चीज़ें आपके घर में हैं, लिमिटेड दायरे में हैं, आपके घर के जस्ट आउटसाइड भी कोई चीज़ है उसे नहीं उठाएं. ओनली यूज दोज थिंग्स विच आर अवेलेबल इन योर हाउस, विच यू कैन ईजिली touch, or you know that these things belongs to you. It is your property. Number 3, please use namaskar if you are greeting somebody. If you think that some relative, all of a sudden some neighbor turns up and you are at your home, you know, हम आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं, कभी हम kites fly कर रहे हैं, कभी हम बाहर निकल रहे हैं. Staying back in a house is really very difficult. So हम किसी भी तरीके से वो घर के बाहर ही खड़े हैं या हम अपने टेरेस पे वॉक कर रहे हैं. If you are meeting someone, then just in order to socialize, just try saying namaskar instead of hugs and every other thing. Instead of handshake, hugs, avoid them. Now, which fourth thing I'm talking about is really important, but I'm not sure कि हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम घबरा रहे हैं. What are we doing? We are saying, अरे कोरोना आ गया, सब मर जाएंगे, कोई बचेगा ही नहीं, इतने केसेस हो गए हैं. देर आर पीपल, हम खुद इतने केसेस हो गए, इतने बढ़ जाएंगे. माई डियर फ्रेंड्स, हम कोई नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन द टास्क टू फ्यू पीपल, टू फ्यू एजेंसीज, जिनका काम है ये फाइंड आउट करना कि कितने केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, कितने केसेस कम हो रहे हैं. प्लीज स्प्रेड गुड वाइब्रेशंस फॉर योर सेल्फ, फॉर योर फैमिली. When you will spread good vibrations, by good vibrations I mean think positive. मुझे कोरोना ना तो है, ना मेरी फैमिली मेंबर्स को है, ना हमें होगा. And take necessary precautions as discussed above. The fifth precaution is wear a mask. If you are suffering from cold or cough, wear a mask in the house and outside the house. But if you're not suffering from anything, whenever you step out the house, please wear a mask. It's going to be a good precautionary measure for you, and I'm sure up to cities में police and all, everybody is there to check it out on us कि हमने mask पहना है कि नहीं है. So it is a very good precautionary measure. Thank you. These were the do's of the corona lockdown. Thanks for listening the do's. Now, when I'm coming towards the don'ts, it's very simple. सारे don'ts do's से ही बनकर आए हैं. Number 1, don't spread wrong rumors outside your house and in your house on phone calls कि my dear friend देखा तुमने इतने दोस्त हो गए, क्योंकि अभी हम खाली हैं. काम क्या है, वीडियो कॉल कर ली, कॉल्स कर लिए. डोंट स्प्रेड. नेगेटिविटी बढ़ेगी, र्यूमर्स बढ़ेंगे, यहाँ इतना हो गया, ऐसे लोग आ गए, कोरोना फैल गया. हुआ है, जेन्युइनली हुआ है, अपने अंदर रखे. ट्राई टू स्प्रेड गुड वाइब्रेशंस. दीज गुड वाइब्रेशंस आर रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प. अगर मन में ही शांति नहीं होगी, मन में ही होगा कि कोरोना होना है, तो चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे होने के, राइट? सो डोंट स्प्रेड रॉन्ग र्यूमर्स, स्प्रेड गुड वाइब्रेशंस as we discussed in the do's. Don't handshakes, don't come in the physical contact with everybody. Try to give extra care to your kids. Don't let them out to play. Don't allow them to go out to play with their friends. Give them indoor activities and indulge them. I will share another video in which I will share how we can indulge our kids, and I will share something new, unique, innovative ideas to indulge kids during this lockdown period. So stay tuned for the coming video on this, kids. I'm definitely going to share those ideas. Another don't is, please do not encourage anyone in fights. Do not say to any person about the corona things. Do not tell them that this happened. Even if you know, keep it with you. Do not enter into wrong deeds. Do not just for once also ये नेगेटिव चीज नहीं करनी है कि आप घर के बाहर चले जाओ विदाउट एनी फिजिकल मास्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, and do not fight with the police outside. These are the things, and this is all in the do's and don'ts. My dear friends, in my next video I am going, as I told you, that I am going to share something on kids indulgence, and I am going to share the whole routine diet which is to be taken during corona lockdown for your immunity, for boosting up your immunity. It's very important to take certain things, certain tips are there जो हमें ध्यान में रखना है, ताकि अगर हमारी इम्यूनिटी वीक है तो हम इससे अपनी और अपने बच्चों की इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ा सकते हैं. So this is all. I'm sure that this video worked something fruitful for all of you. Thank you so much. Please like my video if you like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned, stay safe, keep in touch for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.